इन्होंने इस्तीफे का खत जमा करा दिया।
He submitted his letter of resignation. He submitted his letter of resignation.
इसने सोडा का एक डब्बा खत्म किया।
He finished a can of soda. He finished a can of soda.
मैं क्लासों में शिरकत करने में ज्यादा मुस्तकिल रहूंगा।
I will be more consistent in attending classes. I will be more consistent in attending classes.
मुल्क बुहरानों का शिकार था।
The country was in crises. The country was in crises.
इसने तजस्सुस से कान को दरवाजे से लगा लिया।
She pressed her ear against the door in curiosity. She pressed her ear against the door in curiosity.
मैंने खिड़की के किनारे प्लेटों को एहतियात से सजा दिया।
I carefully stacked the plates by the window side. I carefully stacked the plates by the window side.
वो आसानी से डर गई थी।
She was easily frightened. She was easily frightened.
मैं तेज आवाज से डर गया।
I got scared by the loud noise. I got scared by the loud noise.
घर तेजी से आग की लपेट में आ गया।
The house was quickly engulfed in flames. The house was quickly engulfed in flames.
वो जाए वक़वा की तरफ भागे।
They raced over to the scene. They raced over to the scene.